Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make chocolate Italian meringue buttercream. A couple videos ago I showed you how to make Italian meringue buttercream, and today I'm going to show you how to make it into chocolate Italian meringue buttercream. So let's get started. First you'll need to separate your eggs. We're only going to be using the whites. And place the egg whites into a bowl of warm water so they can quickly come to room temperature. Then in a small saucepan add in the sugar and water and mix them together to combine them, and place the saucepan onto the stove over a medium heat and heat it until it comes to a boil. Then in the bowl of a stand mixer add the egg whites that we separated earlier and whip them until they form stiff peaks. Once the sugar syrup is boiling, you can't stir it or it will cause it to crystallize, but what you can do is pick up the pan and swirl it around if it's heating unevenly. Then dip a pastry brush into some water and use it to wash down any sugar crystals that may be on the sides of the pan. They will cause the mixture to crystallize if you don't brush them down. Then add in a candy thermometer, making sure it's not touching the bottom of the pan, and heat it until the syrup reaches 240 degrees. Once the syrup reaches 240 degrees, turn the mixer onto high speed and slowly pour the syrup in a thin, steady stream, trying not to touch the whisk or the side of the bowl. And once all the syrup is in, you need to keep the mixer running until it has cooled completely, which may take about 15 to 20 minutes. It doesn't matter what speeds the mixer is on, it just has to be running the whole time. Meanwhile, chop up the dark chocolate into small pieces. I'm using 3 ounces, which gives it a subtle flavor. You can use more if you like it more chocolatey. And place it into a heat-proof bowl and heat it either in the microwave or over a double boiler until it's melted, and set it aside and let it cool to room temperature. You'll know the Italian meringue is ready when you feel the side of the bowl and it's no longer hot. It's okay if it's still warm ever so slightly. So once it's ready, turn the mixer onto a medium speed and slowly add in the butter, adding just a little at a time. Then once it's all added, scrape down the sides to incorporate all the ingredients. And add in the vanilla extract. Mix it in until it's combined. Then add a small amount of the buttercream into the melted chocolate. Make sure the chocolate is cooled to room temperature. And add it into the rest of the buttercream. And mix it in until it's combined. And finish it by hand to make sure all the ingredients are mixing in. And that's how to make chocolate Italian meringue buttercream. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I have so many more on my channel, so be sure to check them out and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.